Hey everyone! Connecting your Vantage account to TradingView allows you to combine Vantage's fast execution and competitive spreads with TradingView's world-class charting. In 2026, the integration is a native bridge that syncs your balances and positions in real time. Step 1. Triggering the connection. We are starting on the active chart. We're heading to the top right corner to click the Trade button. We do this because it's the fastest shortcut to the order ticket and broker selection screen. Click the Trade button. A side panel will slide out. Since you aren't logged in yet, you will see a big button that says Connect Broker. Step 2. Searching for Vantage. Now we are in the brokerage directory. We're heading to the search bar in that sidebar. We do this to isolate the Vantage API from the hundreds of other partners. Type Vantage in the search field. Click the Vantage logo. Step 3. Entering credentials. We are heading to the secure login portal. We do this to authorize TradingView to send orders to your Vantage account. Enter your Vantage account number, email, and password. Once you click Connect, the sidebar will refresh and display a live order ticket, confirming you are now linked. Step 4. Execution and real-time sync. We are finishing at the bottom trading panel. We do this to verify that your live data, the money in your bank, is perfectly reflected on the TradingView screen. You can now enter a market or limit order directly from the sidebar. Look at the bottom of your screen. You will see 3 critical real-time values: the total value of your account, including open trades, P&L, a live ticker showing exactly how much you are up or down, account balance, your current cash on hand. Because the sync is native, any change in your Vantage mobile app will update these numbers on TradingView instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.